A odkud jsi?
Jsem z Kolumbie.
Tak ty jsi z Kolumbie.
Ano, jsem. Ty taky?
Já ne, já jsem z Česka.
Tak to jo.
So, tak, what is some of the new stuff that we learned today? First thing, we can now say I am and you are. And like you are in an informal conversation. I am is já jsem. Já jsem. So we can say já jsem Tereza. I am Tereza. Or já jsem z Česka. Já jsem z Česka. I am from Czechia. I am from the Czech Republic.
Guys, a little note about Czechia. Czech people just don't like this word, so don't use it. Ever. We just used it here because the Czech equivalent of Czech Republic is Česká republika. But here we have Česko, and what is Česko? There's no English word for that, so, Czechia.
And when we address somebody, we can say you are, like you are Camilo. Ty jsi Camilo. Ty jsi Camilo. And you are from Colombia. Ty jsi z Kolumbie. Ty jsi z Kolumbie. So, já jsem, ty jsi. Já jsem z Česka a ty jsi z Kolumbie. Or what other countries you're from. Please check our Facebook and we will give you a list of other options. So, what can we already say about ourselves? In a formal situation, when we want to introduce ourselves, we can say Dobrý den, já jsem Tereza, a jsem z Česka. Hello, I am Tereza and I'm from the Czech Republic. If it's an informal situation, we just replace Dobrý den by ahoj. Ahoj is what we say to friends as a hello, right? So, ahoj, já jsem Tereza, a jsem z Česka. Ahoj, já jsem Tereza, a jsem z Česka. Another super useful thing that we learned today was how to say yes and no. In Czech language it's ano and ne. Ano, ne. There is at least two more ways in which you can say ano, like yes. One is jo, that already appeared in our dialogue, remember, right? Tak jo, so yes, so jo is like the informal way how to say ano. And sometimes when we talk to each other, we just say no. And no in Czech means ano, which is yes. No doesn't mean no. No, when we want to say no, we have to say ne. So please don't confuse no and ne, because no is yes and ne is no. So just be careful, okay? And you see the word tak is back. We still use it a lot. So in the dialogue I said tak ty jsi z Colombia, so you're from Colombia, like wow, right? So I use the word tak to introduce the sentence, to introduce my surprise. And another very useful phrase that appeared at the end was tak to jo. Tak to jo. It literally means so it yes. So that yes. So that yes. But it just means like, oh, okay, I see. Okay. Tak to jo. Like, I see what you're saying. Tak to jo. Tak to jo. So, that was all for today. Tak, to je pro dnešek vše. See you next time with another episode of Fun with Czech. And next time, I will try to do it more funny, okay?